ho, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad. Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed Christmas. So in Jamaica, every Christmas we drink sorrel, and well, it's typically drunk throughout the entire year. But I assure you that if you show up at someone's house today in Jamaica, they're gonna offer you some sorrel drink. Alright guys, but normally when we make sorrel in Jamaica, like different things are added to it, like wine, well, red label wine, rum, etc. right? But did you guys know that our Jamaican sorrel can be used to make a tea? Yeah man, it can be used. As a matter of fact, you can find sorrel tea bags in any grocery store. But guys, before I even go further, I want you to note that our Jamaican sorrel is different from the Rumex Acetosa, which is also called sorrel. So Rumex Acetosa is a leafy herb that resembles spinach and is used in salads and other cuisines, right? So don't mix up both of them, guys. Jamaican sorrel looks different. This is how it actually looks. Yeah, so this is our Jamaican sorrel, guys. All right, so this sorrel isn't in the dried form. Some people they use it to make the tea or the drink in the dried form. So this is what we'll be using today, right? All right guys, so our Jamaican sorrel has a lot of health benefits, and we're gonna look at some of the health benefits which it is known to possess, and also I'm going to show you how I make my Jamaican sorrel tea. If you've made this tea before, guys, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm asking you to kindly give this video a thumbs up, right? And share the video, of course. You know, doing all of that, guys, really helps in letting others know about my channel and further helps with the growth. So thank you for everything that you have done so far, watching the videos, and of course subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please hit that subscribe button right down below. All right, so without further ado, not gonna talk any further, let's get right into making this tea. Hibiscus Sabdariffa flowers, known as sorrel in Jamaica, are harvested in late November to early December. The drink has many health benefits. In some African countries, the flowers are known as Roselle or Bizap, but in Nigeria, the drink is called Zubu. Alright, so we have like around 2 cups of water here. So we're going to pour it into the pot and let it boil, and then we'll add our sorrel to it. Now let's look at some of the benefits that you can get from drinking Jamaican sorrel tea. Number 1, antioxidant. According to the Scientific Research Council, sorrel contains a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. But it is a group of compounds called flavonoids which not only give its deep red color but acts as a powerful antioxidant which scavenges the body of free radicals that can cause deadly diseases. Number 2, anti-cancer. Research at the Jamaica's Northern Caribbean University has revealed that sorrel could kill certain types of cancer. Again, this is due to the high levels of flavonoids that work as a deterrent against certain kinds of cancer. Number 3. Lowers blood pressure. Sorrel is used as a diuretic in India, Africa, and Mexico, and has benefits for kidney health, which when ingested daily. Number 4. Relieve coughs. According to the Jamaica Gleaner, in some parts of Africa, the red calyx of the sorrel is used to relieve coughs, while the leaves are made into a poultice to relieve boils and abscesses. Number 5. Reduce heart diseases. Sorrel has been proven to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol and helping to prevent clogged arteries. Number 6. Good vision. As a plant with significant amount of vitamin A, sorrel can help to improve poor eyesight and prevent age-related ocular degeneration. Number 7. Improved immune system. Ingesting sorrel regularly helps to optimize the body's immune system and prevents illness due to its high vitamin C content. Sorrel also has significant levels of iron, which helps to improve circulation throughout the body by boosting red blood cell production and oxygen levels in vital organs. There you have it, guys. Your sorrel tea is served. Cheers to a happy and healthy life. Now, let's take the first sip. Tasty. It has a tart taste, and the ginger isn't that pronounced in it. So if I wanted the ginger to be stronger in my sorrel tea, I could have allowed it to steep a bit longer. Also, the longer you allow the tea to steep, then you would have even a darker red or a deeper red, right? And the taste will even be stronger, if you know what I mean. Alright guys, so let me know if you'll be trying sorrel tea, or if you have ever tried sorrel tea, and if I didn't make mention of a benefit that you can get from drinking sorrel, you know the usual, leave a comment down below, guys. Don't forget to share the video and give this video a like or a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you go. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. See you on the next video.